Hello guys, welcome to Matchup Academy. Many people used to think that if you want to create your YouTube channel, you need devices like computer or cameras, but I'm going to show you that just with your phone, the phone you're having, you can do that. So without wasting time, we'll go right away the video. So I will beg on you to follow the video step by step, and you will see that you'll be able to create your legit YouTube channel and set it from the beginning to the end. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create your YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let us go straight away. You will start by going to settings on your phone. After that, you scroll to account, cloud and account. This one is talking about clouds because I'm using a Samsung phone. There you see account. The second option is account. There you are going to add account. You add Google. You click on Google. It has to process for some time, so you wait. Alright, this is it. You are going to create a new account. If you already have a Google account, you put it up, but if you don't have, you go ahead and create new one. So we are going to create a new account. You tap on create and say for my personal use. Alright, it will take you here where you are going to fill your name, your first name and last name. What I will need to tell you here is that once you are here, you are going to put your first name, enter your first name and last name. Don't make any mistake, and make sure you put your names as they appear on your ID card. So we'll go ahead and put it, but for me, since this is just for a video guide, I'm going to just create any account for the I will not put my name. So go ahead and create. Let me say smart user. Last name can be AI. And then we'll click on next and wait for it to process. Now you ask for your birthday. Put your real birthday as they are also on your documents. So let me just choose this one. And choose the gender. If you are a female, you click on female. If you are a male, you click on male. And then you click on next. Google is going to propose you some Google accounts. If you like them, you choose one. If you don't like, you can go ahead and create your own. So for me, I will go ahead and create my own Google account. You click on the third option. Is it? I will just here they'll ask you to put a password. My advice is that you should write a password that you will never forget. After writing it, you click on next. Now they'll ask you to review your account information. So you go ahead and click on next. Now you are going to read the terms and conditions of Google so that you will not go against it, because if you go against it, they can ban your account, they can ban your Google account, and then you affect your YouTube channel. So after reading them, you're going to click on I agree. Alright, great, you have already created your Google account. After creating your Google account, you go back now and open your YouTube app. I'll click on it. When you click on it, since it's a new Google account, this is how the YouTube page will appear. It will be empty because you have not made any research on your phone. So down you see home, you see shorts, you see this plus button, you see subscription. You are going to see this U, so you click on it. It's going to show the name of your Google account. So since you want to create a YouTube channel, you are going to click on that name, the name of that Google account. Click on it. Yes, this is how you will appear. You read, you see picture, name, handle. If these informations here are okay, you are just going to go ahead and create channel. You click on create channel. But if they are not okay, if not, you can go ahead now and edit. You go to, let's say, you go to this name and you edit it. And save. That's it. I can consider this one is already okay. If you want to upload the photo, just click on that photo icon and then you'll see these are photos that are in the phone. You can just go ahead and click on one. You can go ahead and click on one. Click on save as profile picture. This is it. It will take some time to process. Alright, this is it. Profile photo uploaded successfully. Now the only thing left is to create your channel. So you go ahead and click on create channel. So perfect. Channel created. See, now we already have a YouTube channel. Now that you have created your channel, you need to add some descriptions which will help people to know you better, and also add a banner. I'm going to show you that in the next step. You click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, you click on your channel name. From there you go ahead, you click on this pen icon so that you'll be able to edit that description. This is how it's going to appear. Your name, handle, channel URL, and the description. If you want to send your channel link to somebody, this is the URL that you are going to copy. So go ahead and edit description. Okay, you click on it. You can say that, hello guys, this is what it says. Hello guys, welcome to Smart User AI 2025. Here we teach you how to make money on YouTube using just your phone. Please subscribe and let us grow together. You click on save. This is how it's going to appear. Now you click on that dark place above to upload your YouTube banner. If you don't have one, you can create it after. If If you have, you just go ahead and you click on that place, and then you choose from gallery and you upload your photo, your banner. You go ahead and choose. Yes, this is how it will appear. You are going to save. So let's say I've already saved. Alright, channel banner uploaded successfully. So this is how you appear now. You see this your profile. Thanks guys for being there until now. In the next video, I'm going to show you step by step how to upload your first video using your phone, and how to write the perfect title, description, and also tags to help reach more people, because all of them accounts. If you don't put it well, it will not be, YouTube will not understand, and YouTube will not be able to make your video to go viral. So I will teach you in the next video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that anytime I post a video you should be notified.